In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack. If you're someone who manages projects on Trello and communicates with your team on Slack, integrating these two platforms can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to go to your Trello board. This is your starting point. So open up Trello and navigate to the board you'd like to integrate with Slack. If you're not sure where to find your board, it's usually listed under your board section on the Trello homepage. Once you've located your board, click on it to open it up. Now that you're in your Trello board, the next step is to access the settings. You can do this by looking for a settings option, typically represented by a gear icon, somewhere on your board view. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various options related to your board's configuration. Within the settings menu, you'll want to find and click on the Power-Ups section. Power-ups in Trello are essentially integrations and add-ons that enhance your board's capabilities. Think of them as little power boosts that can help make your workflows much more efficient. Once you're in the Power-Ups section, it's time to search for Slack. There should be a search bar or a way to browse available power-ups. Type Slack into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up the Slack power-up among other related options. When you see Slack in the search results, go ahead and select it. This will take you to a page where you can enable the Slack power-up for your board. Follow the prompts to authorize Trello to access your Slack account. This might involve logging into Slack if you haven't already, and possibly selecting which Slack workspace you want Trello to integrate with. Once you've completed these steps, your Trello board should now be integrated with Slack. This means you can send Trello notifications to your Slack channels, create Trello cards directly from Slack, and much more. It's a handy integration that will keep your team updated and your projects running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Trello with Slack. This integration is a great way to combine task management with team communication, allowing you to keep everything organized and in one place. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Trello and Slack experience. Happy integrating!